Hey everyone, welcome to eGreen Channel, a bountiful harvest, embracing the abundance of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. A diet rich in these plant-based foods offers a myriad of health benefits. Fruits and vegetables are naturally low in calories and fat. This makes them excellent choices for weight management. They provide essential nutrients without excess calories. The high water content in fruits and vegetables contributes to hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for various bodily functions. It aids digestion, regulates body temperature, and supports cell health. By incorporating a colorful array of fruits and vegetables into your meals, you nourish your body from the inside out. Aim for at least 5 servings a day to reap their remarkable health benefits. For more interesting facts and valuable insights for a healthier and happier life, subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary. Nature's fiber powerhouse promoting digestive harmony. Fiber is an essential component of a healthy diet. It is found abundantly in fruits and vegetables. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. Despite its indigestible nature, fiber plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. A high-fiber diet, rich in fruits and vegetables, can help regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, fiber promotes a feeling of fullness and satiety, reducing overall calorie intake. This makes it an excellent ally in weight management. Vitamins A, C, and K, essential allies in optimal health. Vitamins A, C, and K are essential nutrients found abundantly in fruits and vegetables. They play crucial roles in maintaining overall health and well-being. Vitamin A is vital for vision, immune function, and cell growth. It is found in colorful fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage, boosts the immune system, and aids in collagen production. Citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin C. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It can be found in leafy green vegetables, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. A heart-healthy alliance lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is a cornerstone of heart health. These nutritional powerhouses are naturally low in saturated and trans fats. They are also high in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels. Fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of potassium. Potassium is a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. The antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables protect against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is damage to cells caused by free radicals. It contributes to the development of heart disease. By incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Section 5. Debunking the detox myth. Separating fact from fiction. The concept of detoxing has gained significant popularity in recent years. However, it is essential to separate fact from fiction when it comes to detox diets. The human body has its own natural detoxification system. It is made up of the liver, kidneys, and digestive system. These organs work tirelessly to filter and eliminate toxins from the body. While a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can support the body's natural detoxification processes, it is not a magic bullet. There is no scientific evidence to suggest that these foods can detoxify the body beyond its natural capabilities. It is crucial to approach detox diets with caution. Many of these diets are restrictive and can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. Section 6. Potential pitfalls. Navigating the risks of nutrient deficiencies. While a diet primarily consisting of fruits and vegetables offers numerous health benefits, it is not without potential risks. Without proper planning, it can lead to nutrient deficiencies. One of the most significant concerns is the risk of protein deficiency. Fruits and vegetables are relatively low in protein compared to animal products and legumes. Another concern is the potential for vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products. Those following a strict fruit and vegetable diet may need to supplement with vitamin B12. It is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before embarking on any restrictive diet. Section 7. The protein predicament, ensuring adequate intake. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a vital role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. While fruits and vegetables contain some protein, it is generally not sufficient to meet the body's daily requirements. To ensure adequate protein intake on a fruit and vegetable diet, it is crucial to include plant-based protein sources. These include legumes, lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds. Incorporating a variety of these protein sources into meals and snacks can help meet protein needs. It's important to note that plant-based proteins may not contain all the essential amino acids in sufficient quantities. Therefore, consuming a variety of protein sources is key. It is advisable to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional to determine individual protein needs and ensure adequate intake on a fruit and vegetable diet. Section 8. Vitamin B12, a critical nutrient in short supply. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in cell growth and development, red blood cell formation, and nerve function. It is primarily found in animal products, making it a nutrient of concern for those following a strict fruit and vegetable diet. Vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, anemia, nerve damage, and cognitive impairment. It is essential to address this potential deficiency through supplementation or the inclusion of fortified foods. Fortified plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, and some breakfast cereals are often fortified with vitamin B12. Supplementation may be necessary for individuals who are unable to meet their B12 requirements through diet alone. Regular blood tests can help monitor vitamin B12 levels and determine if supplementation is necessary. Consulting with a healthcare professional is crucial for personalized advice and monitoring. Section 9. The importance of balanced planning. Achieving optimal health on a fruit and vegetable diet requires careful planning and attention to nutrient intake. It is essential to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Incorporate protein-rich plant-based foods into meals and snacks. Legumes, lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of protein. Aim for a variety of protein sources to ensure adequate intake of all essential amino acids. Address potential nutrient deficiencies through supplementation or fortified foods. Vitamin B12 in particular is crucial for those following a strict fruit and vegetable diet. Consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance and ensure nutritional adequacy. Section 10. Listen to your body. While following a fruit and vegetable diet can offer numerous health benefits, it is essential to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Every individual is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you are hungry and stop when you are satisfied. Do not force yourself to eat if you are not hungry or restrict food if you are genuinely hungry. Be mindful of energy levels and make adjustments to your diet as needed. If you experience fatigue, weakness, or other symptoms, consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions or nutrient deficiencies. Section 11. A world of culinary delights. Embracing a vibrant and flavorful lifestyle. Adopting a fruit and vegetable-based diet doesn't have to be bland or boring. There are endless possibilities for creating delicious and satisfying meals. Experiment with different fruits and vegetables, herbs, spices, and cooking methods to discover new favorites. Explore global cuisines for inspiration. Many cultures have a rich culinary tradition centered around plant-based dishes. From Mediterranean salads to Asian stir-fries, the options are limitless. Embrace the versatility of fruits and vegetables. Enjoy them fresh, grilled, roasted, sautéed, or blended into smoothies. Get creative in the kitchen and make healthy eating enjoyable and sustainable. Remember, A fruit and vegetable-based diet is not just about restrictions. It's about nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods that promote vitality and well-being.